Kia ora, I'm Denise Haven. I'm one of the associate principals at the school. I've been here for 16 years, so I've seen a lot of change. We looked at Writer's Toolbox because we were finding our results weren't reflecting the energy and money that we were putting into trying to raise results. I'd attended a workshop, a 2-day workshop, and we decided that first year we actually invested in that program. So we didn't go for funding, we invested in it, and the results spoke for themselves. So the other thing that we've found really impressive is that the boys have really been sold on Writer's Toolbox. They love being able to have that instant feedback, and you'll often have them in their own time going back to try and make changes to bring their score up, so they've really loved that. And possibly the other thing isn't necessarily about their achievement, but the engagement and enthusiasm, because when you've got that, then achievement is going to come. Some it's been instant, but the engagement overall has been amazing. A new school coming in, the common language, which is a really big thing, because there's lots of conversation in team meetings, at break times even, of what teachers are seeing. So there's a lot of talk about how the writing is looking, and everyone knows what others are talking about because of that. And also the buy-in from the students, I think, is huge. They absolutely love it. Probably the biggest impact has been the upskilling of teachers, because there were a lot of teachers that have said, I didn't know that until I was told, and it's made a difference to the way they are planning in their classrooms. It's made a difference to the way they're engaging with students. So I think it's making it clearer too, the choices that writers have, and the teachers feel really empowered. They know what they're talking about. So I think the workshops that are run are really useful. And then having that coaching session where they can take it back into their classroom or have a group of students come out has been really powerful too, because they get to see, okay, we learnt about it and now I've taught it, and look at the difference it makes. So that has been amazing. Because there's writing in every single curriculum area, knowing that you're sending students that are ready to fly at high school is, it's a good feeling, because you've set them up, you know they're going to be okay. So it is a good feeling.